What's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at solar post cap lights from T-Sun Lighting. What I really like about these post cap lights, which makes them different from most other lights you see, is these are actually dual colored. So there's a switch right down here, and this lets you switch it from a warm 3000K light on one side or a pure white 6000K light on the other side. So depending on your mood and what kind of light you want, you can easily switch it whenever you feel like it. Looking at the specifications, these are made of IBS plastic and are IP65 water resistant. Have 6 LEDs in each, totaling 60 to 100 lumens per cap, and a 2000 milliamp battery inside, rated to last 8 to 10 hours. These ones I have here are for a 4x4 post, but this company also makes different caps in a few different sizes if you have a larger post as well. Right now on my deck, I just have regular $1 plastic caps I bought from Menards. So with these, this should really make my deck look a lot better and also provide a lot of light as well. Similar to any other outdoor solar lights, these will be off and charging during the day and automatically turn on when it's dark out. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get these installed on my deck, and then I'll shoot a few daytime and nighttime videos to show you what these look like. My deck does have about 10 or 12 posts, I believe. But for now, I'm just going to do most of the perimeter with 8 and probably pick up more at a future date. Alright, so there you have it. Hopefully my little montage was helpful. These are definitely very nice solar post cap lights that get plenty bright. So if you are looking for good LED caps that are different from the rest, I definitely recommend these dual color ones from T-Sun Lighting. Well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, just let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.